Next, let's look at how to set up a pin. Frame F determines when a wrestler becomes pinned. Decide the frame you want the pin to start at, copy and paste that animation data to the previous frame, then set the display length for both to 1 frame. Set an F flag on the later frame, and the SL tag will automatically be applied to the previous frame to start the animation loop. This flag controls the loop animation, so be sure not to delete it. Also, as discussed in the previous video, having movement values in a loop animation will cause issues, so be sure that Rx and Ry are set to 0. Frame S stands for separate. This flag sets when wrestlers separate after a grapple. Set this to the same frame for the attacker and defender, where they both physically separate. Frame D is the damage flag. This flag determines the frame where damage is applied. I recommend setting this frame to the point of impact. If you fail to add this flag, the move won't be recognized as an attack, which can cause issues with CPU logic and the match result screen. Frame B is where the attacker receives self-damage. Use this flag when high-flying moves miss, or for moves that land outside of the ring. Lowercase r determines when a wrestler enters or leaves the ring. This is a unique flag that you won't use often. Q sets the ring shake. 1 is the weakest, while 3 is the strongest ring shake. I recommend a value of 1 for moves where one wrestler falls, a value of 2 for moves where both fall, and a value of 3 for top rope avalanche moves. X is a flag that determines visibility priority based on coordinates after a grapple is forced apart. You won't use this much, if at all. A is the flag for hit detection. Use this for moves that need to physically connect with the opponent, such as standing, running, counter, and leaping moves. Since we're working with a grapple, we don't need it for our current animation.